Do you want to share WhatsApp status to Facebook Story? You can link WhatsApp status to Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share your WhatsApp status to Facebook Story automatically, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, go to the Update tab menu at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see your friends' statuses and the channels you follow. At the top right of the screen, tap on the three dots menu icon. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, select Status Privacy. Now, a status settings screen will open. From the sharing options, enable the toggle switch button next to Facebook Story. If you have not connected your Facebook account to WhatsApp before, follow the on-screen instructions and connect your account. Once enabled, WhatsApp will automatically send your photo or video to Facebook Story when you post on WhatsApp status.